Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. So the question says that state and explain Faraday's laws of electrolysis. So in this question, what we have to tell, we have to simply state and explain Faraday's law of electrolysis. Okay. So firstly, we will learn what is the key concept. So अगर हमें पता होगा, if we know कि electrolysis क्या होती है, after that we can learn about its laws, or we can say that Faraday's laws of electrolysis. So basically, electrolysis is a process in which ionic compounds are decomposed into their elements with the passage of current. Okay. So basically होता क्या है, if we supply current, okay, so जो हमारे पास आयनिक कंपाउंड्स होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी हैव NaCl, सो ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे, इनके रिस्पेक्टिव आयंस में, दैट इज Na पॉजिटिव एंड Cl नेगेटिव. सो दिस इज इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस. सो नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट Faraday's laws related to electrolysis. So we will learn the first law of electrolysis. Okay, so according to this law, during electrolysis, the mass deposited on electrode is directly proportional to quantity of electricity passed through it. Okay. सो दैट मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ, जब इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस होगी, सो जो मास डिपॉजिट होगा हमारा इलेक्ट्रोड पे, वो किसके डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा, इट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द क्वांटिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास्ड थ्रू इट. सो लेट अस से दैट वी हैव W इज इक्वल्स टू mass deposited, okay, at electrode, and Q is the quantity of electricity. Okay. So according to this law, what it states that mass deposited on electrode is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed. Okay, so that means W is directly proportional to Q, and further W is directly proportional to CT, because this Q is equals to CT, where C is the current and T is time. Okay, so now further, to remove this proportionality sign, we have W is equals to Z into C into T. Now this new term Z is here, and it is called as electrochemical equivalent. Okay. And this was about first law of electrolysis. Now we will learn about the second law. Okay. So second law of electrolysis, it states that if same quantity of electricity is passed through different cells connected in series, then deposited mass on electrodes are directly proportional to their chemical equivalent. Okay. So according to this law, what they stated that अगर हम same quantity of electricity pass करवाएंगे different electrolytic cells के through, अगर वो series में connected है, then जो दोनों दोनों electrodes पे हमारा deposited mass होगा वो किसके equal होगा? It will be directly proportional to their chemical equivalent, and chemical equivalents are denoted as E. So let us consider if we have W1 and W2, these are masses deposited on electrodes. ओके, सो ये दोनों सॉल्यूशंस में हमारे पास मास डिपॉजिट हुआ है, एंड देयर केमिकल इक्विवेलेंट्स विल बी E1 and E2. So E1 and E2 are chemical equivalent. Okay, so according to this law, we can say that W1 divided by W2 कि किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? It will be equal to their chemical equivalents. So now from first law हमने क्या देखा था? From first law, W is equals to ZCT. So if two chemical equivalents, ये दोनों हमारे पास इक्वल है, दैट इज जो वेट ऑफ वन है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू केमिकल इक्विवेलेंट. सो फर्स्ट लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग W इज इक्वल टू ZCT. सो हेयर वी कैन रिप्लेस दिस W बाय E, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमने देखा जो हमारे पास मास डिपॉजिटेड है वो केमिकल इक्विवेलेंट से इक्वल है. सो देयरफॉर जो ये इक्वेशन है इट बिकम्स W की जगह हम E रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं W से, एंड इट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू Z. Okay, so when same current is passed through different electrolytes, the electrochemical equivalent is directly proportional to the electrochemical weights. Okay, so this was about two laws of electrolysis, and this is the solution to this question, that is law 2 and law 1. I hope you understand it well. All the best.